This is a 2022 model of a Frankia motorhome with a tag axle, a queen bed, and it costs in excess of 206,000 euros in this condition. This is 9 metre class, 890 centimeters in length, 230 in width, 318 in height. You can put it on a 5.5 ton basis, which in my opinion, although it doesn't have the empty weight, will easily, I think, give around 1.5 tons of payload, 203 centimeters height internally inside, and it's called Pirate, the design look inside. 4 sitting places, 4 sleeping places. It comes with all of this equipment, but this has got the added equipment which has bumped the price up, and that's the most expensive. 5,000 euros for the leather interior design in Moor grey. And oh, sorry, it's not the most expensive. This is it. Yeah, suspension taking it up to 5.5 tons. Anyway, so one thing comes with a fantastic amount of electronics and all the rest of it. The battery is, however, 120 ampere hours, LiFePO for lithium ferrous oxide, and which just happens to be about 1/3 of what I've got in my van. But isn't this really luxurious? Mind you, for 206,000, you'd expect it to be really luxurious. I mean, that is the price of a pretty good house in many places. Well, except in London, where you might get a broom cupboard for that price in a dodgy area. As you open the door of the wardrobe, out slides the rail, making it easy to get a hold of things. Heating, you've got a radiator down there via Aldi. Oh, it's really supremely luxurious, I think, this. Oh, another wardrobe here. This will slide across, although as the carpet is down, I'm not going to actually attempt it. So the television is on the stable bit. There's bits there all the time, but the behind this will slide out. But don't want to sort of disrupt the carpet. The door here will close to reveal this enormous washroom here. I've noticed that many companies, they use some horrible carpet down there to protect the floor, but it's a horrible looking carpet. Here, the carpet, I think, even goes with the rest of the environment. It's as though they thought about it up front. Plenty of room in the shower. It's got a rain shower, sort of. Is that a rain shower? Well, it's got a good quality one anyway. 2 drainage holes. Oh, it's very, very attractive. There's your automatic aircon. This is called the bar layout. Somebody once explained to me why, and I've forgotten. But this type of layout, I think, is quite good if you're sort of thinking of doing some work in your van. Sort of like I sort of live in my van. I put my videos together in my van, and I like a really big table. You'll move that over there. I like a really big table to sit at and do whatever I've got to do. And having the belted seat there also I think is quite good. Now for people who maybe aren't likely to use a table for work, or maybe think, no, I need a table mainly for eating and entertainment, it mightn't be all that suitable. Then again, you know, you get what you want. Seat's absolutely wonderful. It's on a Fiat, and I'm sure somebody will write, oh, 200,000 plus for a Fiat. Well, I think Fiat's okay, but that's my opinion. You've got your reversing camera down there. I think this is really, really wonderful. One little thing I would say is, I think, and just noticed this now, is that, okay, still have mirrors up there. I think we're probably, with this type of vehicle, now tending to go towards the cameras, which are rather than mirrors, and so you don't have to actually look like that, look up to see what's happening. That's just a minor point, probably in 2022. Oh, plenty of storage down there. Oh, isn't this wonderful? Let's come to the kitchen. Now you've got this really big domestic type oven, one of which is electricity, 3 on gas. The electric one could be used on hookup. I mean, you probably wouldn't get very far with your 120 ampere hour battery. And down here we've got an oven. And today I got a comment, a couple of days ago, a comment about not opening ovens. And today I got, when I commented on the comment, I got another comment saying I'm not showing how big the oven is. Yeah, so of course, I mean, you can fit an oven. I mean, retrofit. You can go to Dometic or Thetford and buy one of their ovens. Oh, I think this is wonderful. Anyway, of course, I'm not likely to ever own it. First problem is the money. It's a minor problem, of course. And the second problem is I don't think I'd ever be able to drive it. I think an 890 centimetre vehicle it's just too big for me. I mean, particularly I'm sort of driving around these small villages in southern Europe and things like that. It's all right here in Germany when you're on the motorway, but in places, oh, such as, you know, like, I don't know, driving around Sicily or something, that would be really, really difficult. So if I walk around, oh, there you can see what's going on. So you can see what the time is, and your heating, your battery charging. You can see how much water you've got. It's all up there. Oh, one of the new trends is though to use just one readout for everything. And there are companies producing these things. You see here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you've got four monitors, and so anyway, molded sink. Sorry, it isn't a molded sink. It's been placed in their sink. Almost as though I want to linger a little bit more to see more here. Right, well, it's got one or two other really nice vehicles in here. The Titan now can come with the Indus water disposal system. So it's the toilet water and the grey water. The grey water is used to flush the toilet. That is now possible. Testbirds being very slow on releasing the Indus. The reason is it wants to make sure it gets it right. And clearly, it's a major change from what most of us are used to. Now the garage, 3 doors, and with this magnificent rear door, this can take, I believe it's 450 kilos. You get a stack of weight in there. Switches and your fuses there, although I normally prefer the fuses to be inside. So it's pouring with rain or you're snowed in and you have to change a fuse. I'd rather it was didn't have to come out, but I do appreciate sometimes there's not enough space to do that. Right, so there you have it. Frankia integrate 890 QD Titan motorhome with a tag axle and a queen bed at a cost of 206,000 plus from 2022 Frankia range.